In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Zoho calendar seamlessly and efficiently. Sharing your calendar is a fantastic way to stay organized with your team or colleagues, allowing everyone to stay updated on important events and meetings. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Zoho calendar. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL that takes you to the Zoho calendar page. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll see a list of your calendars. Now, take a moment to browse through these and choose the calendar you wish to share. This might be your personal work calendar, or perhaps a team-specific one. Selecting the correct calendar at this stage is crucial because everything that follows hinges on this choice. Once you've made your selection, you need to locate and click on the More Actions button. This button is typically represented by 3 dots or a drop-down arrow on your screen, and the More Actions option provides access to a range of functionalities available for your calendar. So it's your gateway to further customizing your calendar settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find the Share option. Click on this to start the sharing process. Sharing here enables others to view and potentially collaborate on your calendar events, ensuring everyone is on the same page. After clicking on Share, a new window or section should open, prompting you to type in the participants' information. Here, you'll want to enter the email addresses of those who should have access to your calendar. Consider who would benefit from staying informed about your schedule. This could be colleagues, managers, or even family members who need to coordinate with your work commitments. One important thing to be aware of is the View Event Details option. Clicking here allows you to control the level of access that your participants will have. For example, will they just see the timelines? Or will they be able to view more detailed information about your meetings and events? Adjusting these settings is key to maintaining the right level of privacy and transparency. Finally, once you're satisfied with your participant list and settings, click on the final Share button to formalize everything. This final step is where your calendar gets shared with your selected participants, making collaboration and communication smooth and straightforward. And there you have it. You've learned how to navigate the Zoho calendar interface and use its sharing functionalities to keep everyone interconnected and informed. Sharing your calendar is a small step that can lead to significant improvements in your workflow and collaboration efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coordinating.